each child will have a work mat that comes with our curriculum, and they'll be using counters and then just pencils, and I'll have my teacher's manual. In the curriculum, it kind of gave it sometimes gives a couple of options for what the kids can use. I've found that the counters are simplest. When they use linking cubes, sometimes they spend so much time trying to link them together that they don't pay attention to what's going on. And then the 2 different colors is good too, to be able to show different groups. So we could show like 10 on the red side and then the extra ones on the yellow side, and just those little bits of visualization differences really help them to make abstract principles more concrete for them. The kids love them. They learn well using them. Yeah, I've found that if there are days that I try to rush through the beginning of the lesson, which is the part where we use manipulatives, and think, oh, they're getting the hang of it, so let's just move on to the paper pencil stuff. They don't gain as deep of an understanding of those concepts. What's nice is that doing the small group instruction, it allows, if I was doing it with the whole class, I wouldn't have enough material. So that's one thing that's nice, is that I have enough now that I'm just working with a small group at a time. And then I know a complaint that a lot of teachers make is that when you bring out the materials, they don't use them properly, or then management gets out of control, things like that. So one, really spending a lot of time at the beginning of the year teaching them how to use it is important. And then also it's been nice that we've been getting the small group instruction PD, because it's so much easier to manage 6 kids with materials than it is a whole classroom. They will later on, the way that these materials allow them to gain a deep understanding of these foundational math skills, number skills, it'll be relevant one day. But yeah, right now, I don't know how relevant a counter is. But you know, every once in a while, a student will make a comment or make a connection that really surprises me, that shows me that they are thinking about these concepts deeply and applying them to different parts of their lives. But for the majority, they are still thinking of it as, this is what I learn in math, and not, that's one thing that I've struggled with all year, is trying to figure out how to get them to cross subject areas with knowledge that they're learning in one, or be able to understand a question when it's posed in a different way than it has been in their lessons.